Thank you for listening. This is News Listener by Angelo. And salamat po sa mga manonood at makikinig. Today is June 19, 2025. And thank you po sa mga manonood. If hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, you can subscribe to support this channel. Salamat po. So, pag-usapan naman natin yung sinabi ni Pulong Duterte na yung tatay niya daw ay hindi kriminal. Okay? So guys, hindi siya daw kriminal. Okay? At ginugunita nila yung ika ah, 100 araw na nasa ICC si Digong Duterte. Okay? So, let's take a look sa ABS-CBN kung anong sinabi ni Pulong Duterte sa kanyang ama. Okay? So, let's talk about that. Now, let's go down here sa sabi dito, former President Rodrigo Duterte on Thursday marked its 100th day in detention. Okay, sa kasong crimes against humanity. Tapos, si Paulo Duterte, sabi niya, inosente po aking tatay. Alright, sabi niya dito, he's not a criminal. Okay, the younger Duterte said of his father, he's a man who gave his life and to serve this nation, walk the most difficult path so that we may live in peace, free from fear and dignity. Okay. So, yung question ko is, sa panahon nila, meron bang peace? Okay. Yun ang usual na naratibo ng mga Duterte, yung mga DDS ng mga trolls. Okay? Free from fear? Kung mayroong pumapatay, sabihin na ba natin from fear? Halos lahat ng tao siguro hindi sila lumalabas ng bahay, di ba? Now, sabi dito, next, he stood up against enemies of republic. Now he suffers alone, far from home, far from his people. And Duterte patriarch stands accused of crimes against humanity. Okay, yun na yun. And then, he's now 80 years old. Nasa Netherlands siya. Sabi niya, as a son, the pain is immeasurable. Okay, well, definitely natatandaan natin yan. Pero, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga, isipin naman natin yung mga taong inosenteng napatay sa drug war. Naramdaman ng mga Duterte ito. I don't think so. Kasi hindi pa nga sila nag-apologize o nagsasabi ng sorry sa mga biktima ng drug war. Ba? Oh. So, he asked public to remember his father. Okay. Well, everyone remember him as not for his strength, but lahat ng tao ay natatandaan siyang isang berdugo. Okay? All right. Now, sige, dito lang muna tayo sa ABS-CBN at ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung sa tingin nyo ay hindi siya kriminal. Okay? Okay, so let's watch a video from AFP News Agency. At inadmit niya dito, okay, personally on live TV, okay, na he personally killed people. Okay, so let's listen.
I will go along with it. But you know,
views on
but in Davao, I used to do it personally.
Ba, grabe. In Davao, I used to do it personally. Oh, so inadmit niya na pumapatay siya ng tao.
Just to show to the guys that if I can do it, why can't you?
Can you see the people, the faces of the people, yung mga nakikinig sa kanya? Mga delegations from different countries around the world? Diba? Imagine, isang presidente, inadmit niya na pumapatay siya ng tao. Okay.
And I go around Davao with a motorcycle, with a big bike, and I would just patrol the streets and looking for trouble also.
Mm.
Naghanap ako ng inkwento para makapatay.
Oh.
If they
Parang may ano siya yung kate sa kamay. na gusto niyang maganap ng trouble para lang makapatay ng tao. Yun ang sinabi niya. Okay?
Say that if I'm afraid to stop because of the human rights and guys from including Obama, sorry, I'm not about to, to do that. Do not believe in that garbage. Ano?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, yan sa AFP Okay, so next. Papakita ko sa another video from same same YouTube channel ng AFP News Agency. Ito. Okay, sa entrance. Yan.
The President of the Republic of the Philippines, Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Okay, Yawan.
Meron akong mga kasama na mga opisyalis natin. Pagka ganon, kinukuha nila yan. Kulo nung teenager ako, pasok, labas ang pasok, kulungan.
Oh. Ba, tawa pa na yung mga tao. Oh, anyway, joker siya Okay.
Rambo dito, Rambo. At the age of 16, may pinatay na ako.
Oh, yon. Age of 16, may pinatay na daw siya. Napaka, anong tawag doon? Kung ilalagay natin sa isang ehemplo, napakagandang ehemplo ni Digong. Ba? But anyway, that's sarcastic.
Tao talaga. Rumble. Saksak.
Oh?
Noong
Rumble.
16 years old yun, nagkatinginan. Is that yung globalization?
Okay. Okay, here's another video. Play natin to.
I didn't really know how many bullets from my gun went to inside their bodies, but it happened. And I said I cannot lie about it because
Okay, ano sabi ng mga spokes nila? Spokesperson ni Digong? Joke lang po 'yon ni Mayor ni President. Ba, nakakaya Imagine that. Ay, nako. Okay.
but if it means killing people kneeling down with their hands tied at the back, that's all bullshit.
Do you think that makes you fit for the job of president?
Yes, of course. Given the problems of my country, yes. I have 4 million drug addicts in my country. So that is not a joke for as long as there are drug pushers in the streets in my country. For as long as there are drug lords. This campaign.
So, yung pinatay niya halos puro drug addicts. Pero, yung mga drug lords, iilan lang. Tsaka, pinalitan niya iba. Okay?
Will go on until the last day of my term.
Sir,
And until all of them are killed.
But you're also highly dependent on drugs, sir. Would you consider yourself a drug addict? You've admitted to taking prescription medication.
Yes, but I'm not an addict. Only when it is prescribed. Addiction when there's regularity, my friend.
Okay. Anyway, yung mga DDS nito, usually pupunta sa YouTube channel para lang suportahan yung tatay nila. Okay? So guys, anong sa tingin nyo? Okay? Hindi ba siya mamamatay tao? 'Di ba? Ano siya? Inosente ba siya? Admittedly in public. Okay? So if you have any comments, you can write that down. And thank you po. If you like this, you can like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.